Hey guys, it's Josh here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I've got a brand new Yamaha to show you. It's a 2026 Yamaha 255XD. This is the surf boat. We've got it in the Utopia blue. Stainless steel rub rail insert. It's paired with a tandem axle Shorelander painted trailer. Let's walk around to the back and I can show you some more features. Hey guys, we're here at the back of the 255XD. As you can see, this is Yamaha's signature swim platform. Great area for hanging out when you're anchored up in a cove or you're hanging out at the sandbar. You got cup holders, you got a stereo remote here, you got a table mount there, and we've also got our Hertz audio speakers that are rear firing, as well as some Hertz audio speakers up there on the tower. So if you want to hang out in the cove, jam out, listen to some music, it's a great place to do so. Let's hop aboard and we can look at some interior features. Guys, welcome aboard the 255XD. Up here in the bow, we've got lots of seating up on either side, plenty of space. I'm over 6 foot tall, so whenever I'm sitting up here, got plenty of leg room. We've got cup holders tucked away up front, as well as over here on the sides. Hertz audio up here in the front as well. We've got a front boarding ladder and anchor locker here in the bow. We've got a lot of storage up underneath both the port and starboard cushions. We also have our removable bow filler cushions, so we can throw those in here, create a big sun pad up front if you want to. We've got storage down here in the center. We've got a really beautiful helm here on the 255XD. This thing's got some super cool lighting at night. This all lights up. This is the XD, so we've got the drive, X paddle shifters, as well as the steering modes here on the steering wheel. Makes it super easy to do dock hold, pivot turn, all that great stuff. Really large Connect screen here, so it's real easy to read all your data, as well as go through all your lighting and all of that. We can also control that here by the toggle knob. You can use that for your cruise assist as well. We've got some push buttons here for an override for our blower, our nav lights and all that. Dual throttles here. This is the drive mode, or this is the drive version, so they are electric binnacles. It's not drive by cable, drive by wire. Makes it super easy to operate. Over here on the port side, we've got a very roomy head compartment. If you wanted to throw a portable head down there, you could. If you want to use it for storage, it's a great area to do so as well. We've got our table tucked away, as well as our table mount here. Moving back, we've got a really comfortable matching co-captain's chair. There's storage over here on the port side as well, with glove compartment on the bottom and the top. No shortage of cup holders on this boat. We've got 2 on this console, 2 on that one. We've also got them tucked away down there on the side as well. Moving to the rear, we've got this nice picnic table with storage underneath. So if you wanted to face rearward, you can, or you can set this up if you want to make lunch out there on the boat. That's a great place to do so. This boat's got our water sports tower on it and the rear firing pods up here. We've got board racks that make it easy to store your wakeboards or surfboards. There's just a quick pin there that you can turn these things in or out. Hertz audio in the rear, as well as storage underneath the cushions. We've also got a subwoofer down here and a spot for a cooler as well. These rear seats are super cool because if you want to hang out on the back, all you got to do is you got to pull this tab and you can slide these in, and you have a nice sun pad area there on the back to soak up some sun. Guys, if you have any questions about this boat or you'd like to come see it in person, give us a call or stop by our Greenville showroom.